Hi folks, this is Paul with WMSOhio.com. I'm going to walk you around a 63 Chevy truck that we just gotten in. It's a local truck here, just down the street. Runs and drives as it should. Got a small block V8 in it. The original 3 on the tree. Call this truck all in good condition. Does appear to be a frame off restoration by a private individual. I would not call it a professional restoration, but it's still a very nice, good looking truck that would make an excellent driver, something you could take to shows. The heater in this truck is in op. They didn't put the heater core back in it. It does come with the truck if you'd want to reinstall it. Starts right up, drives like it should. These gauges, just so you know, are not hooked up. They never had those hooked up yet. But the lights do work, turn signals do work as well. This could be a real fun truck, something you can jump in and drive anywhere, right down the highway. It's got the original steel wheels on it. You can see the radiator reservoirs in place of the heater core there, so that heater core could be reinstalled easily. And there's your small block V8, headers, 1963 Chevy truck. Real good example of a mostly original truck, but with a V8, so you get plenty of power to drive it down the highway for any use you may have. Nice truck you can have fun with. All the details, check out WMSOhio.com.